guys, look out for this one coming out, okay? Real Jamaican, authentic brown stew chicken with rice and peas. Look on this, guys. Look out for it coming out, alright? Remember to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel, guys. That is it. Real Jamaican, authentic brown stew chicken. Only in Jamaican overseas kitchen, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That is it, guys. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, invite